Hello students, welcome to Academic Aura. Today we begin with practice set 2.2 of the chapter Quadratic Equations. Now see in this chapter, in this practice set, the practice set is solve the following quadratic equation by factorization method. Now there are different methods. This practice set we have to solve using factorization method. Okay, now see these sums we have already learned in the 8th and the 9th standard factorization method. This we have to do by splitting the middle term. Okay, now this is already in the standard form. It is already written in the general form. So what we will do is we will factorize by splitting the middle term. Okay, now see here, there is no number over here. Otherwise, in the other sums, there are numbers over here also. So what we will do is, when there is a number over here, we have to multiply these two numbers. Okay, the number over here and this 54. But now since there is no number over here, only this 54, we are going to take only 54 plus 54 along with its sign. So we are going to use plus 54. Okay, and now see what is the middle term. We want 15. Okay, now we want 15. After adding it, we want 15. Now how you get 54? 9 6 is 54. Okay, 9 6 are 54, and there is a plus sign over here. See here, there is a plus sign over here. So 9 plus 6, when you add, we get 15. Okay, so see here, 9 6 are 54. 9 6 are 54, and there is a plus sign here. So when you add 9 plus 6, you get this term, that is 15. So which terms we are going to use? 9 and 6 instead of 15. The rest of the two will be the same. X square and plus 54 will be the same. Okay, so what I will do is I will write this as it is. X square will be as it is, but instead of 15, okay, middle term we have to split. So instead of 15, what am I going to take? 9 and 6. Okay, now see here, 9x minus 6x plus 54 is equal to 0. Now see here, when the signs are minus and plus, okay, minus and plus, we take minus, minus and then plus. That means minus, minus, and this will be plus. See here, when it is minus and plus, okay, minus and plus, minus and minus, and then plus. That means whenever there is a minus sign will come together and then plus. So minus, minus, plus. Okay, so instead of 15, we have taken minus 9 and minus 6. Next step is we will remove common. Now see, in these two and in this two, we are going to remove common. Here what is common over here? X is common. So write X as it is outside. In the bracket, over here there are two X's. One X you removed out, one is remaining inside, minus 9. This X we have removed out. Now over here, okay, now pay attention over here. There is minus sign. So first put the minus sign. Here what is common over here is 6, because 6 ones are 6, 6 nines are 54. So that means 6 is common here. So take out 6 in the bracket. In this 6 you removed out. So what is remaining? X is remaining here. Now see here, whenever there is a minus sign out, this sign inside will change. Okay, whenever there is a minus sign out, this sign will become plus, will become minus. Okay, minus into plus, minus, and 6 nines are 54 is equal to 0. That means these two brackets should come same. Okay, these two brackets should come same. Now which is the common bracket? X minus 9, X minus 9. So we will write it once. X minus 9 we will write it once, and this term which is outside, X minus 6, X minus 6 we will write it once, and is equal to 0. Understood? Now we will take X minus 9 is equal to 0 and X minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, X minus 9 is equal to 0, or X minus 6 is equal to 0. Now X is equal to, minus sign when you transfer on the right hand side will become plus 9, or X is equal to, same way, minus 6 when you get it on the right hand side will become plus 6. That means here we got X is equal to 9 or X is equal to 6. Therefore 9 and 6 are the roots of the quadratic equation. Understood? We will write therefore 9 and 6 of the quadratic equation. Okay, understood the first one? Now see the second one. Here, second one in the textbook is x square. We have x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. Okay. Now see here, again there is no term over here, so we will only write this number. There was no term over here, no coefficient of x square was given, so we wrote only plus 54. So same way here we will write first minus 20. Okay, now we will split this. We want to see the middle term. Here it was 15, 9 6 are 54, and 9 plus 6 we got 15. There is no number here, means it is 1. Okay, no number means 1. That means, see here, after subtracting, how you get 20? 5 4s is 20. 5 4s are 20, and when you subtract 5 minus 4 you get 1. So that is how we are going to take. So the terms we will take, the numbers we will take, 5 4s are 5 and 4. 5 4s are 20. Okay, 5 4s are 20, and there is a subtraction sign here. So 5 minus 4 is 1. So middle term we are going to take this 5 and 4x. Okay, instead of 1x we will take, how we will get 1x, 5x and 4. Now see here, it was minus and plus, so we took minus sign together, minus minus plus. Same way over here also we will take the minus sign together. So there is plus and minus. So first plus, minus sign will come together, minus minus. Okay, plus minus, so plus minus minus. Okay, so we have here first plus, then minus and minus, plus minus minus. So what we will do is, we will write these two terms as it is. X square we will write it as it is. In between, instead of 1x we will take these two, plus 5x and minus 4x, plus 5x minus 4x and minus 20. Okay, so when there is plus and minus, plus minus minus, minus and minus will come together. Okay, now see here, now we will remove common. Here we will remove common, and in this we will remove common. What is common over here? X is common, so x we removed out. So what is remaining over here in the bracket? From 2x's, 1x you removed out, so 1 will be inside, plus 5x, x you removed out. What is remaining? 5. Same way over here, what is common? 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. First you write the minus sign here, and 4 is common here. Okay, 4 is common, so in the bracket 4 you removed outside, it is common. So what is remaining? X. In the previous sum also I told you, when there is a minus sign, this sign will change. Minus into minus will become plus here, and 4 what are 20? 4 5s are 20, and close the bracket. So see here, we are getting two same brackets here, is equal to 0. Now you can write down the common bracket, x plus 5 as it is once, and the remaining x minus 4 you write it, is equal to 0. Understood? Now x minus 5, x plus 5 is equal to 0, or x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to plus 5, when you get it on the right hand side will become minus 5, or x is equal to minus 4 is equal to 0. X minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so x is equal to minus 4, you bring it on the right hand side will become plus 4. So here we get, therefore minus 5 and 4 are the roots of the equation. Okay, understood the second sum? Now see the third one. Third question is 2y square plus 27y plus 13 is equal to 0. Now see, in the previous sum I told you there is no number here. If you have a number here, this and this we are going to multiply. Okay, But now here we have a number 13 and 2. Okay, so first what we will do is 13 multiplied by 2. These two terms, 13 multiplied by 2, we will multiply. 13 2s are 26. Okay, 13 2s are 26. What is the sign here? Plus sign. So put the plus sign here. Now see 26, how you get 26? Both are plus only over here. Okay, here also we have plus only. After adding, we want this term. So if you take 26 ones are 26. Okay, how you get 26? 26 ones are 26. And when you add the number 26 plus 1, you will get the middle term 27. Okay, so we will take these two numbers. So in the beginning, we will write this as it is. 2y square will be as it is. So instead of plus 27y, we will take 26 and 26y and 1y. Okay, instead of this, we will take 26y plus 1y. And then plus 13 will be as it is equal to 0. See, these two terms will be as it is. Only instead of the middle term, we are going to take these two terms. Okay. Now see the signs. When it is plus and over here also it is plus. So all the signs will be plus only. Plus, plus, plus. For plus, all will be plus. Plus 26 plus 1 and here also plus 26. Okay. Now see here, after doing that, what is the next step is we have to remove common. Now here what is common? 2 times table is common here. 2 is divisible in 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 13s are 26. That means 2 is also common and y is also common. So what we will remove out is 2y. Okay, not just 2y, because y square and here y. So 2y is common. What is left in the bracket? See here, 2 we removed it out. From 2 y's, 1y you removed out. How much is remaining? 1y will be inside. Plus 2 13s are 26. Okay, common no. So over here 2 1s are 2 and 2 13s are 26. Y you already removed it out. So no need to write it again and close the bracket. Now see here, first there is a plus sign. Put that plus sign. What is common over here? Nothing is common. So 1. Okay, 1 in the bracket. Now 1 you removed it out. What is there here? Y plus 13 is equal to 0. This bracket we have got common. So write it once. Y plus 13. One bracket over here, y plus 13. And the other one is 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. So that means y plus 13 is equal to 0 or 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Understood? Now y is equal to plus 13. When you get it on the right hand side will become minus 13 or 2y is equal to plus 1. Okay, plus 1 here. See, 2y keep it as it is. This plus 1 when you bring it over here will become minus 1. Now y is equal to 13, 1 you got. Okay, 1 root you got. Y is equal to minus 13. But this one 2y. Y is equal to minus 1. 2 multiplied by y. This is 2y means 2 multiplied by y. Multiplication, when you bring it down in division, you have to write it over here in division. Okay, 2y is equal to minus 1. 2 you get it down over here in division. Understood? So now y is equal to 13 we got, and this is 2y is equal to minus 1. Y is equal to minus 1. Get this 2 down. So therefore minus 13 and minus 1 upon 2. Okay, minus 1 upon 2 are the roots of the quadratic equation. Are the roots of the quadratic equation. Understood? Okay, now we'll do the next sum, the fourth sum. The fourth sum is 5m square is equal to 22m plus 15. Okay, 5m square is equal to 22m plus 15. Now see, in this sum, first we will arrange it in the general form. So here 5m square, 5m square we will keep it as it is. 22m is on the right hand side, we will bring it on the left hand side. Plus 22 will become minus 22m. Then plus 15 again is on the right hand side, bring it on the left hand side, will become minus 15 is equal to 0. Again here, see here also there is a number with m square. Coefficient of m square is 5 and here we have 15. So that means first we will multiply this. 15 5s are 75. 15 5s are 75. What is the sign here? Minus, put that sign here. Now what terms are we going to take? We want 22. So how you get 75? You can take 25. 25 3s is 75. Okay. 25 3s are, when you multiply 25 3s is 75 and there is a subtraction sign here. So 25 minus 3 you get 22. Understood? 25 3s are 75 and then when you subtract, subtraction sign minus sign is there. So 25 minus 3 you get the middle term 22. Okay. So these two numbers, these two we will write it as it is, but instead of minus 22m we will take these two terms. Okay. So what we will do is write it as it is, 5m square. Instead of minus 22m, we will take, now see here the signs first, minus and minus. Whenever minus minus, minus plus minus. Okay, minus minus will be minus plus minus. Whenever you have minus and minus, minus plus minus. So see here, minus 25m plus 3m and then minus 15 is equal to 0. So see the signs here, minus and minus we have. So we took minus plus minus. Okay. Next step is we will remove common from here. From this and from this. Now what is common here? 5 is common. 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. And on both the sides m is common. So that means 5m is common. So in the bracket what remains? 2 m's, we removed 1 m outside. So 1 m is remaining inside. Minus 5 5s are 25. This m you removed outside. So close the bracket. Here, first put the plus sign. What is common here? 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. That means 3 is common. In the bracket, 3 you removed out. So what is remaining here? M. There is a plus sign here. You don't have to change the sign. Minus sign will remain as it is, minus only. Only when there is a minus sign, then this sign will change. Now 3. 3 5s are 15. Okay. And then close the bracket is equal to 0. So see here, these two brackets we have got common. So m minus 5 is one bracket. Okay. Next bracket is 5m plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. So now m minus 5 is equal to 0 or 5m plus 3 is equal to 0. So therefore m is equal to minus 5, when you get it on the right hand side, will become plus 5, or 5m is equal to plus 3. Plus 3 when you bring it on the right hand side will become minus 3. 5m, keep it as it is equal to plus 3, get it here on the right hand side, will become minus 3. M is equal to 5, done with it. So keep it as it is. But this one, 5m is equal to minus 3. Now m. 5 is in multiplication, we have to bring it in division. So m is equal to minus 3 as it is, and this 5 we will bring it in division. So m is equal to minus 3 upon 5. Understood? So therefore 5 and minus 3 upon 5 are the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, understood the fourth sum? Now see the fifth sum. The fifth sum, the question is 2x square minus 2x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now see here, in the denominator's place we have 2. we have to remove this 2 first. Now whenever we have to remove the 2 from the denominator's place or any number from the denominator's place, we have to multiply that same number on the left hand side and on the right hand side. Suppose now if we have 2 over here, we will multiply 2 on the left hand side and on the right hand side and the left hand side. In the next sum, there is x in the denominator's place, so we will multiply x on the left hand side and on the right hand side. So same way, any number you get in the denominator's place, that same number you have to multiply on the left hand side and on the right hand side. So what we will do is, we will say multiplying 2 on both the sides. Okay, we will multiply 2 on both the sides. So now see here, left hand side we will multiply it with 2. So here we get, you can just write it first 2 and then write this as it is, 2x square minus 2x plus 1 upon 2. That means 2 gets multiplied with all the terms, this and this. Same way on the right hand side also, 0 multiplied by 2. So multiplying 2 on both the sides. Okay, now what we will do is, we will multiply 2 with all these terms. First 2 multiplied by this, then 2 multiplied by this, and then 2 multiplied by this thing. Okay, so what we will do is, 2 2s are 4x square. Okay, when you multiply this, minus 2 2s are 4x plus 2 multiplied by 1 upon 2. Now see here the working, 2 multiplied by 1 upon 2. Okay, this we multiplied, but here we have 2 here in the denominator's place. So 2 multiplied by 1 upon 2, this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. What is remaining here is 1 is equal to 0. Understood? So what we get here is 4x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. By this way we have removed this 2 from the denominator's place. Okay, now the same way we can do splitting the middle term. Now see here, 4 ones are 4. Okay, here we will take 4 ones are 4. See here, 4 ones are 4. We will multiply these two terms first, and there is a plus sign here, so put the plus sign over here. Now see here, 4, how do we get 4? 2 2s are 4. Okay, 2 2s are 4 we are getting, and there is a plus sign here, so 2 plus 2 we get the middle term 4. Understood? See, first multiply these two, 4 ones are 4, and put this plus sign here. Now how do we get 4? By multiplying what? 2 2s are 4. You cannot take 4 ones are 4. If you take 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 1 will become 5, and 5 is not there over here. We want 4. After adding, addition sign, plus sign is there. After adding, we want 4 over here. So 2 plus 2 will be 4. Okay, so we are going to take these two terms. Now see, again I told you minus plus. So minus plus, minus, minus, plus. Okay, whenever there is minus and plus, minus, minus, and then plus. Okay, so first and the last term will be as it is, 4x square will be as it is, and plus 1 also will be as it is. But in between minus 4x, we will take these two numbers, these two terms. Minus 2x, again minus 2x, minus 2x, minus 2x, and then this term will be as it is. Plus 1 will be as it is. Understood? Now see here, minus and plus, as I told you, minus and plus, minus, minus, plus. Minus sign and plus sign is there, minus sign will come together, minus, minus, plus. Now the next step, you know, is removing common from here. Now what is common in these two brackets? 2 is common. Okay, 2 is common because 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Same way x is also common, so 2 and x is common. So what remains in the bracket? 2 2s are 4. From 2 x's, 1 x you removed out, 1 will be inside. Minus sign as it is. 2x you already removed it out, nothing is there over here common, so write 1. Understood? 2x you have removed out, nothing is left, write 1. Next is, there is a minus sign, first put the minus sign here. Is there anything common here? No, so write 1 over here. Okay, no, nothing is common here, write 1. Now close in the bracket. Okay, 2x will be as it is because there is nothing common, we didn't remove anything outside, so 2x will be as it is. Again, as I told you, minus sign is there out, inside the sign will change, minus into plus, minus, and this one will be as it is, and close the bracket. So see here how we got both the brackets common. 2x minus 1 common bracket, and again there is 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Understood? Now 2x minus 1, again here also we have 2x minus 1. So 2x, this 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, or again 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now 2x is equal to this minus 1, when you bring it on the right hand side will become plus 1. Same way 2x as it is equal to, again minus 1, get it on the right hand side will become plus 1. Now 2 is in multiplication, will come down in division. So x is equal to 1. 2 is in multiplication, get it down here in division. Or again same way, x is equal to 1. 2 is in multiplication, here it will come in division. X is equal to 1 upon 2 or x is equal to 1 upon 2. Though both are same, we have to write both the roots. Understood? So here we will say, therefore 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Understood the fifth sum? Now see the sixth sum. In the sixth sum, again in the denominator's place we have x. Okay. Now see here, just as in this sum, in the denominator's place we had 2. I told you what number is there or what letter, what variable is there. We have to multiply that only on the left hand side and the right hand side. So now in the next sum also we have x here. Okay. So what we will do is we will multiply the same x on right hand side and left hand side. See the sixth sum. 6x minus 2 upon x is equal to 1. Okay. Now same way there is x here in the denominator's place. We want to remove that x. So what we will do is we will multiply x on the left hand side and the right hand side. So we will say multiplying x on both the sides. Okay. So first multiply x over here, x, and write this whole bracket, put it in the bracket, 6x minus 2 upon x. That means multiply x with this whole thing. Okay, the left hand side, put the bracket, means multiplication, and again 1 multiplied by x. That means I have multiplied x on the left hand side and on the right hand side. So now when we multiply this, okay, see here, when you multiply this multiplied by this and x multiplied by this. So now when you multiply this, x multiplied by 6. So 6 will be as it is. X into x will become x square. Minus sign as it is. X multiplied by 2 upon x. Now see here, x multiplied by 2 upon x. Okay, this into this. X multiplied by 2 upon x. X and x will get cancelled. So what is remaining here? 2. So we got 2 over here. So this is how you remove the number or any letter from the denominator's place. Is equal to 1 multiplied by x will be x only. Okay. So now we got this. We have removed that x from the denominator's place. Now what we will do is we will write it in the standard form. 6x square, we will keep it as it is, 6x square only. Next is x. X we bring it here. It is plus x. When you bring it on the left hand side will become minus x, and minus 2 is on the left hand side only. So keep it as it is equal to 0. Understood? So now what we will take, you have 6x square here and you have 2 here. So what we do is we will, when you have the numbers here, you have a number here, we have to multiply these two. 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. Put this minus sign over here. Now we will split this. Okay. How we get 12? See, you get 6 2s is also 12. But after subtracting 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2 is 4. We don't want 4 over here. We want 1. No number means we want 1. Okay. 6 2s are 12. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. We don't want 4. So what terms can you take? Which numbers can you take in multiplication? We can take 4 3s are 12. Okay. Instead of taking 6 2s are 12, we will take 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12 and 4 minus 3 you get 1. Understood? So what we will do here is, first we will write these terms as it is. 6x square will be as it is. Instead of minus 1x over here, we will take these two terms. That is minus 4x minus plus minus. Both are minus. Whenever both are minus over here, see here, minus and minus. Whenever you have minus and minus, minus plus minus. Okay. So minus plus minus. Minus 4x plus 3x and minus 2. Minus 2 will be as it is equal to 0. So see here, we have minus and minus. So minus plus minus. Okay. These two terms I have written as it is. Instead of minus 1x, we took minus 4 and plus 3. Understood? Next step is what? Taking common. So from this and this we will remove common. Now what is common over here is 2. 2 times table. 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. Okay, that means 2 is common over here. Understood? 2 is common here. And even x is common. So 2x will be removed outside. Now in the bracket, 2 odds are 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. From 2 x's, 1 x you removed out, 1 will be inside. Minus sign as it is. 2 2s are 4. X you removed outside. Close the bracket. Now plus sign is there. Put the plus sign as it is. There is nothing common here. So write 1. Then the bracket. We did not remove anything out. We did not remove anything common outside. So this thing will be as it is. 3x. Sign will also be minus because there is a plus sign here. Only if there is a minus sign, then this sign will change. There is a plus sign. This sign will be as it is and 2 will also be as it is equal to 0. So see here we have got two brackets common here. Write it as it is once. 3x minus 2 and here we will write 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now 3x minus 2 is equal to 0 or 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now what we will do is 3x keep it as it is. 3x keep it as it is equal to minus 2. Get it on the right hand side will become plus 2. Or again 2x as it is equal to plus 1. Get the number over here. Plus 1 we bring it on the right hand side will become minus 1. Now see here this is in multiplication. Get it down in division. So x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 as it is. Bring this 3 down. Same way x is equal to minus 1. This 2 will come here in division. Understood? So now we have got the roots of the equation. Therefore 2 upon 3 and minus 1 upon 2 are the roots of the quadratic equation. Understood? So here we have finished the sixth sum.